Hello everyone, this is Dr. Varun Pandula from Wisdom Super Specialty Dental Clinic, Hyderabad. I'm recording this video on behalf of juniordentist.com. So today we are going to talk about root canal treatment. I'm going to explain to you in the basics of root canal treatment and not go in depth. So what exactly is root canal treatment? As the name suggests, it is treating the root canal or the infected root canal. So when is root canal treatment suggested? Root canal treatment is suggested when the pulp or the root is infected. As you see in this is a healthy pulp tissue and this is the infected pulp tissue. This can be because of caries, dental caries. When the dental caries reaches the pulp tissue, it infects the pulp tissue and the pulp tissue is dead or necrosed, which leads to infection or accumulation of pus, which is known as an abscess. So this is when a root canal treatment is suggested. Once the root canal or pulp tissue is infected, there are only two treatment options left. One is extracting the tooth or the other one is root canal treatment to save the tooth. So during other situations where root canal treatment is preferred is when there is a fracture of the tooth, where the tooth is broken in two pieces and the pulp tissue is exposed without any caries. Or intentionally we do root canal treatment in some cases when we need to place a crown on the tooth, or full mouth rehabilitation cases. Usually we go for intentional root canal treatment where there is no problem with the tooth in particular, but we need root canal treatment to gain sufficient tooth structure for replacing the tooth. So now that the causes where we do root canal treatment is out of the way, let us see what root canal treatment is. So there are 5 steps in root canal treatment. First is anesthetizing the tooth in question. Second one is access opening, that is to gain access into the tooth. The other one is cleaning and shaping, or we call it as BMP, biomechanical preparation. The fourth step is filling of canals or obturation, and the fifth one is to place a crown after doing a complete permanent restoration. So let us go first. What we do first is to give local anesthesia or anesthetize the particular tooth in question. So after giving an anesthesia, the dentist or the endodontist who usually does the root canal treatment goes ahead and checks whether the sensation to the tooth is present or not. And after confirming that anesthesia is properly administered, they go for access opening, the second step, access opening. So this is access opening. In access opening, we use a rotor or a rotary instrument such as this. We can see this. So this is used with a burr to access the infected pulp chamber. So the access is created from the top of the tooth or the occlusal surface of the tooth. As you can see in the typhodont tooth, that the caries is present on the occlusal surface and it is extending to the pulp chamber, as seen here. So we remove all the infected enamel and dentin and gain access into the pulp chamber. So once the access is gained, this is called as access opening. So we are gaining access to the infected pulp tissue. Now going to the second step, which is called as BMP or cleaning and shaping. So this is the BMP part. We use certain files or hand files. These are hand files. So these are small or tiny files which are used to clean the pulp chamber, the tissues. As you can see that the root is very narrow and the length of the roots is also very short. Around usually a normal root is 15 mm to 20 mm in length. So that is why we use 21 mm. You can see here on the 21 mm length of files. So apart from the hand files, there are rotary files. These are the rotary files. Here I am using NeoEndoFlex files. So rotary files it makes it easier. We use a rotary instrument called as endomotor. So after we use the hand files, we go for a rotary instrument which makes the cleaning a little bit faster. So after accessing the pulp chamber, removing of the infected pulp tissue, we remove the infected pulp tissue and cleaned off any infection or abscess which is present with the help of certain chemicals or irrigation fluids such as sodium hypochlorite, hydrogen peroxide, normal saline, and in some cases chlorhexidine as well. These are the irrigation liquids which are used to disinfect the pulp chamber, infected pulp chamber. So now that BMP or biomechanical preparation is done, Now we go for obturation. So after cleaning and enlarging the canal to the desired size, we go for obturation. We can't leave the canals empty, or in the future there might be reinfection of the canal. So we have to fill the canals or block it or seal it from any external agents entering into the tooth. So we use Gutta-Percha points. These are the Gutta-Percha points used to fill the empty pulp chamber. So these are the Gutta-Percha points. So they have numberings. So the size to which we have enlarged the pulp chamber, we use the corresponding number of Gutta-Percha. So after filling the Gutta-Percha point, we do a permanent filling, or as you mentioned is temporary filling, and then we go for the crown. This is the permanent filling plus crown. After doing a permanent filling to give strength to the crown structure, we go for a crown to protect the tooth from any wear and tear due to or chewing habits or any biting habits. The crown is essential because once after root canal treatment or after the tooth is infected, the tooth is potentially dead. So the strength of the tooth is gone. So to protect the tooth for future use, it is must to have a crown. So this is the crown of a patient after undergoing root canal treatment. This is a single tooth root canal treatment which was performed. So we have reduced the tooth size and we have gone for a crown. This is the crown which covers all the sides of the tooth, root canal treated tooth, and giving it protection from any biting or chewing or occlusal forces. Hope that you have understood what exactly is root canal treatment and why it is performed and how it is performed. So thank you, and please do subscribe and like the video if you have found it useful, and share it with your friends. Thank you.